Alright guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be building the FT Vector.
This is a great build from Flight Test. It's very easy to build and built in a few hours. You can follow along with us, or Flight Test has their own dedicated build guide. First, get your laptop to watch the build on. Then, get your cutting mats, knives, rulers, build plans, extra blades, and your foam.
Oh wait, we forgot tape. How did those YouTubers do it?
Wait, bro, what? How'd you just spawn in 3 of them? Let me try that. What? Where's my tape? So once you have all your pages printed out, you'll need to cut off all the brims. I already did that here, and you can see this is fully cut off. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to take your parts, and you'll want to line them up like so. You take a bit of Scotch tape and tape the parts together.
Alright, now that we've finished cutting everything and taping it together, we gotta start gluing. Now, where'd my glue stick go? Wait, where is it? Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, there they are. Perfect. Alright guys, now that we have all of these parts finished and laid out, we can start gluing them and folding them up into an actual airplane. We're just going to be following Flight Test's video instructions. They're pretty clear in explaining everything. Alright guys, now that we've finished building and assembling all of this, we can move on to the next step, which would be to add in the electronics. Most of the electronics are going to fit into this cavity over here. Our main concern right now is the center of gravity, the CG, or where the balance in the airplane lies. Because right now it's looking, if you stick your fingers under the wing, you see how it points down. So right now it's what's called nose heavy, and it looks like when we add our electronics that's not going to help at all, so we'll have to find a solution for that. Other than that, we just need to add the motor right here, servos to control the rudder, and these elevons.
Alright, so for control horns, we'll be using these little flossing tools. They're strong, lightweight, and work great for this purpose if cut to size. Alright guys, now that we have one made, now I can show you this cool trick. So just go to your keyboard and hit Control C, then go and hit Control V, then you get more of them. So now we can just go ahead and install these on our ailerons and our rudder. Alright, now you got everything installed. We got our control horns and servos glued down, as well as our push rods installed and adjusted. We installed our firewall, and the prop clearance is pretty low, but it should work. All of our cables are installed and connected to the receiver, so we should be ready to mate in this thing. So apparently we have a broken servo. So we don't have ailerons or our elevator now. So we're gonna try and fly, at least try a bunny hop test with only our rudder and throttle. So we're gonna disconnect the one that is working, and see if we can trim them upwards, see if we can do a small bunny hop test, and we'll see if this works.
Alright, let's try one more time.
Alright, so we're just like SpaceX style, and we're gonna fly it until it fails.
Yup.
And that's either until the plane fails or until the battery fails. Let's find out.
Yeah.
That looks straight, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
That
Hear me out. Hear me out. Alright? I don't really see this to be a really big deal. I think
you do realize that like half the components are like in that half of those.
Oh, you're right. I can fix that. Yeah, so if there's less nose weight, then we need to.
I don't know, you know learning by doing what I do and you learn. Let me make my work first and then pay in future. I feel really well, I can pay them for you. Cause I am a engineer, all I would ever do. Hey, 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 my good diploma gave me jobs, also I didn't study. I simply got it from a friend, a certificate from buddy. Trust me, I'm an engineer. I think we put this thing right here. Trust me, I'm an engineer. What the did just happen here? Trust me, I'm an engineer with a big scale and epic gear. See, this is impossible. Just like I give a shit. Trust me, I'm an engineer. I think to put this thing right here. Trust me, I'm an engineer. What the just happened here? Trust me, I'm an engineer with epic scale and epic gear. Trust me, I'm an engineer. Oh, I think I'm out of here.
Alright, so what did we learn? Before building, check that the servos all work.
Yeah, I think that's a good one.
Once your plane begins to fail, don't take it to the max. That's really stupid.
Yeah.
Like that then stuff like that happens.
Our plane doesn't look like it's doing too good anymore, but it only took 2 hours, so we can make another one.
Yeah, it's a really easy build. Like this is.
Yeah. You
It's-
guys
it's-
can make it too. We do recommend doing it. It is a lot of fun building and flying. And it's not all that expensive either.
I've had a lot of fun with it. Alright guys, we're gonna pack it up and see you in the next video.
Bye.
See ya.